Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Got a little weekend project going on. It's a Honda CR-V. Going to be redoing the roof. As you can see, it's in really bad shape. Going to get it sanded down, get the clear feathered out, get it reprimed and painted, get it matching the rest of the vehicle as close as we can. Car does have a few little hell dings in it. They're not worried about fixing those. They just want some color on it, as the car is going to be given to a young lady for her 16th birthday. It'll be her first vehicle. So we'll get it looking good and get it ready for that, and follow along, see how it goes. Okay, guys, back on that CR-V. Last night took me about 45 minutes to get this top sanded down with the DA. Went with 220 to level out that clear, then went over with 320, then hand rubbed it with 400 before I primed anything. After I primed it, let that sit overnight, then came back out this morning, scuffed it with a gray Scotch-Brite. Now we're going to tack it off and get it ready to base. Okay, guys, we got the CR-V finished. Came out really nice. I also painted the side view mirror here. It looked like it had been hit by a mailbox, maybe scuffed up a little bit. So I got that painted. Up here looking at the top, you can see the color's not quite 100% match, but that is under fluorescent lights. When you get it out in the sun, you will see a better color match. Also painted this trim around the windows. The paint had flaked off of those, so sanded those down and shot those back with a satin black. And as you walk around it, you can tell the car's, fairly clean. I did wash it really good, throw a quick wax job on it. Also painted the fender wells, cleaned those, painted those back black, cleaned the windows, and on the wheels, the center caps had turned kind of a orangish yellow. The plastic part had faded. So I popped those off, painted those back silver, put those back on, blacked the tires, and got it looking really good for the new owner. So I hope you guys like the video. Let me know in the comments what you think.